The raffle. Miss Brown coaches the boys bantam soccer team and the girls bantam soccer team. Altogether, she coaches 33 students. She has enough raffle prizes to give away one to each player. Okay, so the number of raffle prizes are 33. The teacher has 3 prizes to give away as seen below: soccer jersey, video game, and gift card. Okay, the following information. The coach is twice as many, 5 more than. Okay, obviously this is an algebra problem where we have to solve for x. We have to do the 4 steps. Okay, the 4 steps for solving an equation. So let's see, which one has the least information here? The coach has twice as many video game prizes as soccer jerseys. The coach has 5 more gift card prizes as soccer jerseys. So they don't say anything about the soccer jerseys. That's the one that they're always referring to. So let's make that the x. Okay, so x equals number of soccer jerseys. Number of jerseys. Let's just write jerseys like this. So the coach has twice as many video game prizes as soccer jerseys. So if x is soccer jerseys, twice as many is 2x. And that's the coach has twice as many video games. So number of video game prizes. Okay, and now the last one is the gift card. Let's see, what does it say? The coach has 5 more gift cards prizes as soccer jerseys. The coach has 5 more. I always read it twice to make sure. The coach has 5 more gift card prizes than soccer jerseys. So x plus 5. X plus 5 is gift card. Number of gift card prizes. Gift card. And we know that. So we've identified the variables. Now we know that there are 33. There are 33 in all, right? So 33 students have enough to give away 1 to each. So once we find out how many there are of each, we're going to solve the equation. And then once we know 6 of the soccer jerseys prize of girls, okay, then we have to do this part. So let's solve the equation. So we identified the variables, and now we know that they add up to 33. So the 3 prizes add up to 33. So that's our equation. So let's add them up. So x plus 2x plus x plus 5 equals 33. It's not going to be too hard to solve. So 1x plus 2x plus 1x, that's 4x, plus 5 equals 33. 4x equals 28. That works out nicely. Take away 5, take away 5. All right, I can write it over here. Take away 5, and then divide by 4 on both sides. X equals 7. So we solved the equation. So that means that x is 7. That's 7 jerseys. 7 jerseys, and twice as many video games. That's 14. So 2 times 7. And 5 more, that's 12, right? 12. So when I add these up, I should get 33. 21 plus 12, yeah, it's 33. So this is right. So now we know how many there are each. Let me just write them down over here. So soccer jerseys were 7. Video game were 14. And gift card is 12. Okay, so I have it there. The coach raffles off, now I'm reading this part. The coach raffles off prizes, and the results are as follows. 6 of the soccer jersey prizes went to bantam girls. So 6 of the soccer jersey prizes went to bantam girls. That means there's 1 left, right? Half the video game prizes went to bantam boys. So half of the video game prizes went to. So that's 7 of them. That's 7. 75% of the gift card went to bantam boys. 75% of the gift card. What's 75% of 12? 3/4 of 12, that's 9, right? 12 divided by 4 is 3, it's 9. It's 9. So 6, we have 6 soccer jerseys went to bantam girls, 7. How many players on the bantam boys soccer team, and how many players on the bantam girls soccer team? Okay, maybe it's best to make a little table here. So let's write bantam, that should be a B. Okay, so bantam girls, bantam boys, right? So it says here, and then we have the prizes. So what are the prizes again? So we got the prizes are jersey, Okay, so 6 of the soccer jersey prizes went to Bantam girls. So 6 over here, Bantam girls, 6. So that means 1 must have went here, right? Because there's 7 in all, right? How many jerseys were there? 7. 7 jerseys. That means there's 7 video games. Half the video games went to the Bantam boys. That means there's 7. Half went here, and the other half must have went there. And 9 of the gift cards went to Bantam boys. So 9 here. And how many were there in all? How many gift cards were there? There were 12 gift cards. That means 3 went here. And that's it. So we got 7, 14, and 12. 7, 14, and 12. 7, 14, and 12. So how many players on each are on the Bantam boys soccer team, and how many on the players are on the Bantam girls soccer team? Well, now we can answer the question, right? So the number of Bantam girls is 16. 16 Bantam girls and 17 Bantam boys. That makes a total of 33. That looks right. So 16 Bantam girls and 17 Bantam boys.